In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop email tracking in Gmail. With so many tools available to track email activity nowadays, it's more important than ever to protect your privacy while using Gmail. Whether you're concerned about advertisers, marketers, or anyone else getting more information than you're comfortable sharing, there are simple steps you can take to prevent this tracking. First, let's talk about what email tracking means. Broadly speaking, it's a method where the sender includes invisible pixels or other tracking technologies in the email you open. These pixels then relay data back to the sender, telling them when you opened the email, how many times, and sometimes where you were when you did it. It's a little unsettling, right? But worry not, there's a straightforward way to regain some of that privacy. The simplest method to stop email tracking in Gmail is to disable images from automatically loading. By default, Gmail automatically loads images, which includes those pesky tracking pixels. By adjusting this setting, you can prevent advertisers and other entities from gathering details about your interaction with their emails. To do this, head over to your Gmail settings, which you can find by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner of your Gmail page. From there, select See All Settings to enter the full settings menu. Once inside the settings, you'll want to navigate to the General tab. This is typically the first tab you'll encounter, so no worries about scrolling too far. On this tab, scroll down until you find the section labeled Images. Here, you'll see an option that says, Ask before displaying external images. Select this option. What this does is ensure that Gmail will prompt you to load images on each email, giving you the choice of whether or not you want the images, including those tracking pixels, to appear. Another great tip is to use browser extensions designed to fight email tracking if you're using Gmail on a web browser. Extensions like Ugly Email, Tracker, and Pixel Block can automatically filter out tracking attempts without much hassle. These tools highlight tracking attempts and often allow you to manage tracking across different senders. It's often as simple as installing the extension and letting it do its job. If you're using Gmail on your mobile device, the intrusion of tracking via images can still be managed, though your options might be a bit more limited depending on the app. You can usually find similar image blocking options in the settings menu or consider using alternative email applications that provide enhanced privacy options. By taking these measures, you'll be able to better control what information you're sharing by simply opening your emails. Remember, safeguarding your privacy isn't just a one-time job, it's a continual process of making sure you're protected amid the evolving digital landscape. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this helps you enjoy a more secure email experience.